Mais qu'est-ce que vous pouvez me donner comme cadeau?
Un cadeau?
Ouais.
Un cadeau pour toi. The van has lost all power and I am completely just in the middle of, I don't know. I have no idea.
Yeah.
Yeah. Petit ballon. Petit ballon. Okay, welcome back. We are on our way to Sine Saloum, a place called Toubacouta, approximately 3.5 hours away. We're just leaving Sally now, me and Wilson. It's meant to be a very beautiful place. Lots of wildlife, lots of nature, lots of mangroves, so hopefully we'll spend a bit of time there. I'm hoping I'll be able to go on a fishing trip, but we'll see. Yeah, as I said, 3.5 hours to go. It's about 3 PM. It's hot, but not too hot to drive, so yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Nice, cool.
Vous allez où?
Sine Saloum, Toubacouta. Tu connais Toubacouta? In the Sine Saloum.
Je vois les papiers afférents au conduite de véhicule.
Ouais.
Il y a quoi à l'intérieur?
Pardon? Mon lit. Mon lit, mon chambre.
Vous dormez ici?
Ah oui.
Ça c'est quoi?
La lumière. La lumière mais ne marche pas. C'est bon?
Mais qu'est-ce que vous pouvez me donner comme cadeau?
Un cadeau?
Ouais.
Un cadeau pour toi?
Oui.
Ok, pour toi. Tu es un bon homme, un cadeau. Parfum.
Parfum?
Parfum, c'est bon?
Allez, merci beaucoup.
Pas de problème.
Allez, c'est gentil.
Bonne soirée, mon ami. There you have it. The whole bribery. The perfumes that I got off my friend were actually such a good idea. But again, he was one of the nice policemen. He was okay. I probably didn't have to give him a cadeau if I didn't want to. But they are like the mafia here. Like if they really want something, they just bend the rules. They can do whatever they want pretty much. Here we go, nice little roundabout, little rond-point, as they call it in French. Nice. They're well catered for the roads here. There's always people, especially on long journeys, with different fruits, different snacks. What did I get that for? 500 sefa? 100 sefa for one? So 10p for one? I don't know, I'll put it on the screen. We then headed south on the highway, passing vast lands full of baobab trees, before entering another little village, where all progress was halted by numerous breakdowns. We then passed a village where loads of women were selling mangoes at the side of the road, and small towns turned to little villages, and then back through the chaos of another market town. Then the roads changed to sand before we made it finally to water. The van has lost all power, and I am completely just in the middle of, I don't know. I have no idea. So this glow plug's flashing. I don't know what it means. This is a problem. I don't know whether to turn the engine off for the fear that it won't drive at all, or just to keep sort of plodding along. Oh, what adventure. It's really strange, it seems to just like stop at 10 miles an hour. Oh, no, we're back on. I have no idea. Let's get to the next village and let's see what happens. It's just like, I don't know, I need to speak to someone. I'm just rambling now, I don't even know if I'm making any sense. But we're picking up some pace in 4th gear. This feels like the biggest problem I've had. I have no idea. I do have faith though that it's going to get fixed. I've never been let down yet in Senegal. I'm just concerned about the van. She seems to be in poor health. This seems to be having more and more issues of late, so I don't know. We'll hopefully get to the Gambia and then we'll see what we can do with her. But yeah, I think the town is approaching here. It looks pretty industrial, which I take as a good thing. I just hope I've got power to get up this hill. It looks pretty demanding. I'd say it's like a 45-degree incline. Lads are brave running it. We've made it out the other end to a lovely little sleepy village. Now, who is going to fix my van for me? Here we go. Pardon-moi pour l'interrompre. Il y a un mécanique. Il y a un mécanique près d'ici. Un mécanique. Parce que c'est pas loin. À côté.
Le s'appelle Papdao.
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 Papendao.
Ouais.
Papendao. Ok, merci beaucoup. Merci.
Papdao.
Bonne soirée. Here we go. Here's the mechanic. Bonsoir. Il y a un mécanique. Un mécanique Papendao. Oh. Oui. J'ai un problème avec mon voiture. J'ai un problème avec mon voiture. Oui, oui. Tu regardes. Tu regardes. Full power. C'est fini. I wasn't expecting to be a group of teenagers. I'm not totally convinced on first impressions, but perte de puissance. Perte de puissance. Parce que j'ai un problème là. Chômage? Oui. C'est pas bon. Ouais, c'est difficile pour moi. Je suis anglais, non? No French. No French. Bonsoir. Tu parles anglais? Tu parles anglais? Pardonne-moi. Parce que j'ai un problème avec mon voiture. Je suis dans l'extérieur. Ton garage, Papendo. Ton garage.
Oui. Allô? waaw moo ngi fi de. waaw ñun ñoo ko jox sa numéro.
What to say? What to do? Bonsoir. Comme ci, comme ça.
Bien, bien.
Pardon-moi, mon français c'est terrible. Ok. J'ai un problème avec le van. La puissance.
Ouais. Ah, vas-y, on va voir si ça va.
Ok. Là-bas?
Ouais, c'est
Tout là? Si, c'est bon maintenant. I don't know. Mais avant 20 km in 1, 2, 3, 4, le maximum c'est 25 km. Oui, juste comme ça. Mais maintenant, it's okay. I do not understand. Je ne sais pas. La route là-bas, c'est fou, non? C'est fou. C'est fou. Possiblement.
Ah, tu vas comme ça?
Oui. Le problème comme ça, il est faux.
Ouais.
Ok. Parce que c'est ça, il est malade.
Ouais, il est malade.
Malade, oui. C'est triste. C'est triste. Dedans. Comme ça. C'est chaud, c'est trop chaud, non? C'est trop chaud.
Ah, elle n'était pas.
Les filtres.
C'était pas bien serré.
C'était pas bien.
Serré, tu vois.
C'est bon maintenant?
Ça va.
C'est fini?
Ouais.
Non.
C'était pas bien, c'était un peu.
I've said it before and I'll say it again. As long as the van works. Mechanics have the ability to make you feel like a complete plonker sometimes. Apparently the gas filter had come loose on that road, but I managed to get it fixed. He didn't actually want anything, so I gave him 5,000 safer, which I think for, I don't know, 10 minutes work is a pretty good deal. But I think we should carry on with what we were doing and head to Toubacouta. Okay, the show continues, but we're back on one of these roads, so there'll only be a massive moment before we have another problem. But that's what I love about traversing through the country or driving through a country, is that you get to see places like this that you just never would normally see. Okay, we are losing light rapidly, and I'm 49 minutes away from where I want to be, which probably means about an hour and a half. So hopefully I'll make it there in one piece. I'm not going to be able to film anymore because it's going to be too dark, so we will catch up, I hope, in the morning. Okay, we made it. We made it to Toubacouta. I ended up finding this place. So it's only the second campsite I've been to on my time in Senegal. I think I pay about 5,000 CFA for the night. But it's cool. It was really nice to, you know, have somewhere nice to relax after all of the craziness yesterday. So I think we're going to head into the town because apparently some sort of cultural festival there. So let's go see. But yeah, this is it. Has a pool. It's good vibes. Senegal is such a strange country. I've never been to a country where at certain moments in the day there's just nobody around. I was told there was a cultural festival on, but it definitely doesn't seem like there is. Looks like they're getting ready for a big old rave. We'll see. Bonjour, ça va? Angleterre.
Hein?
Angleterre.
Angleterre.
Oui, oui.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe there was a rave last night and that's why everyone's still in bed. And it's only 11 AM, so could explain it. God, it smells so good in there, in the boulangerie. But I think it's all in preparation for tomorrow. These kind of scare me, these bulls. And look at the size of him, looking at me. You don't see a lot of those in the UK. Definitely picked up the pace to go away. See a lot of them here. Assalamu alaikum. Ah, fish. What we got? Nice. I have been really wanting to fish actually, but I think I'm going to wait until we get to the Gambia because obviously they speak English there. As I'm not really a great fisherman, I'd like to learn, and my French is just not at a level where it would benefit me paying so much money to go out there if I can't really understand what's going on. This is me. Oh. The juice of ginger. It's powerful. It's good for me, I think. This is it, yasapuli. White rice, chicken, all together. 3,000 CFA. Merci beaucoup. Oh, nice. Oh wow, wow. This is so good. I've actually doubled up. Ça va, mon ami? Ça va? So it could be a good night, I don't know. Bonsoir, mon ami, ça va? Comment tu vas? Oui, oui. Pour ce soir? C'est pour ce soir, pour le festival? Oui, oui. Ah, nice ce soir. Ce soir. Ok. Grand fiesta, oui. Grand festival. À quelle heure? Demain matin. Pour ce soir, demain matin. Ok, tous les nuits. Tous les nuits. Same here. Definitely looks like something's going to happen tonight. I'm not a clue what it is because I didn't plan on coming for this festival, but we'll see. I'm excited. Me and all my friends. After further conference, I realised that the festival starts tomorrow. It's a full day and a full night tomorrow, which makes sense because I don't think they were going to put all that stage up in the next hour of daylight. So that gives me an opportunity to have an early night because tomorrow morning I've arranged to go on the boat through the Sine Saloum, so I'll take you there through the mangroves and it's very beautiful. It's very beautiful, and then yeah, we will go to the festival and we'll see what happens. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, welcome back and good morning to the Sine Saloum. I rented a boat with my friend Mamadou. We're going to head across and through all the mangroves. We're just going to follow this vast land. It spreads for about, well, hundreds of miles. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so calm. I think pre-arranged for about 2 hours on the boat. You can do this tour for up to, I don't know, 6 hours, half a day. But I didn't really want to go on the water for too long. I just wanted somewhere nice to relax, get away from all the buildings and all the people, and just spend a bit of time just in nature. I mean, look at this place. Quel est le nom?
En français.
Oui, oyster.
Oyster, yeah.
Oyster.
Oyster. Just from here.
From where?
From here.
Oh yeah?
Brazil. Apply here.
Okay, cool.
En Europe, ou en Europe, c'est très cher. Même en France, très cher.
Très cher, ouais. No, c'est disponible.
Non, non, voilà.
Ouais. It's been a long time since I've been around such greenery, you know? Since Morocco, well, over the last 4 months, it's been desert and sand, so now it's really nice to be around so many colours and a very healing effect, very peaceful effect. You can really see up close how the oysters stick to the branches. I think he's going to bring one over. This is the oysters.
Oyster, yes. Les grandes capitales, à Dakar. À Dakar,
Oui,
un peu
dangereux.
Un peu, mais pas beaucoup. Dans les grandes villes, c'est partout dans les grandes villes. Il y a des voleurs, il y a des vols. Tu connais vol?
Ouais, vol, ouais.
Il y a des voleurs dans les grandes villes. Il y en a.
C'est le même in toutes les grandes villes, in tout le monde.
En France, en
Angleterre, oui, c'est tout la
Les
ville.
grandes villes, un peu dangereux. Mais dans les villages, calme.
Calme,
Pas aucun problème.
je les regarde, je les
Ouais,
regarde.
ouais, dans les grandes villes, les villages, on ne peut rien.
You can see on both sides the mangroves have got closer. They call it a petit ballon en français, but I think in English it translates to a channel or something like this. There's hundreds of these that split off and veer off in different directions. I also think there's not that many fish in here. They're very small. There's a brochette. But if you go towards the ocean, you'll find big barracudas. But I don't think we'll go fishing this time. Petit ballon. Petit ballon.
Oyster,
Écoutez.
oyster. Pour le feu.
Pour le feu.
Ouais, fire.
Fire.
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Okay, we've arrived at the island of Coquillage, Ile de Coquillage, the island of shells. I think we're going to cook the oysters that these guys got today. But look, for as far as you can see, it's just nature. It's absolutely beautiful. And the water is very clear. I think I might even go in for a swim.
C'est le fruit de baobab.
Clou de baobab.
Ouais, c'est bon pour le jus.
Pour les gires.
Drink, jus baobab.
Jus baobab, jus.
You know, juice baobab.
Ouais, ouais.
Juice baobab, c'est très bon.
C'est fresh from today.
Ouais.
Ouais. Wow. So fresh. Merci beaucoup, mon ami. J'apprécie. Thank you, brother.
Nice. Correct.
Photo, eh? Bien. Okay, we are back on land. So we're going to go check out this festival now. Sounds like there's a bit more life than there was yesterday. Still quite a few goats out. You can see that they managed to get the stage up last night, so it's a good start. I have no idea what we're going to find in here. Est-ce du bissap? Oui. Et une mangue, s'il vous plaît. Merci. Tell you what, I just love this stuff. So good, you'd make a fortune selling this back at home. Oh, c'est très bon. Absolutely no idea what's going on, but everyone seems to be heading down to the beach. So, they will see. countries celebrating different parts of their culture and different dances, different celebrations.
La volant.
I've just bought some sort of pastel thing, I have no idea what it is.
Le développement durable. Ce festival également s'inscrit
I don't know if that's meat or onions, but it's spicy. Very
le
spicy.
Sénégal et la Gambie. Alors,
Good.
c'est une pratique également.
Okay, that's it from the festival. It's time to get back to the van because tomorrow we're going to Gambia, which I'm very much looking forward to. So I hope you enjoyed the episode. As always, be kind to yourselves, take care of yourselves. I'll see you next time.